Hi, I'm Terry Meyer. Welcome to my kitchen where my recipes are seasoned with love. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower cupcake.
Sunflower cupcakes are an easy dessert for home or to take to parties. They are simple to make yet impressive looking, like you've slaved hours in the kitchen. Here's how to make them in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Choosing your favorite cake mix or scratch recipe, make your cupcakes and let cool. Step 2. Make a buttercream recipe, listed in the description box below, and color the frosting vibrant yellow with a coloring gel. Then add cocoa powder or brown coloring gel to 1 cup of the frosting for the sunflower center. Step 3. Using a Wilton large leaf tip 366 for the petals and star tip 27 for the center, place the frosting in a piping or zipper storage bag. Step 4. Put a thin layer of frosting on the cupcake to allow the petals to adhere to the cupcake. Step 5. Holding the leaf tip vertical, place the bottom tip on the cupcake. Squeeze, lift, and release the pressure. Rotate around the entire cupcake with the leaves and make a second row offsetting the petals against the first row. Step 6. Using the star tip, fill in the round center by placing the tip straight up and down. Squeeze the bag, pull upward, and release. Smile, taste your masterpiece, and share with your family and friends. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.